Hey guys, Dave here, Getting Any Outdoors, and I am doing the refurbishment on that Sportspal I bought used. So if you're really into that stuff, you're going to want to watch this video. Yeah, watch it. Let's get into it. Enough of this nonsense. All right, we're going to start off by tearing out these ribs. But before I do that, I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to number 1, 2, 3, and so on, all the way down. And if you're doing it, you're going to want to mark the gunnel where 1, 2, 3 is. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to do that. We're going to start off by taking these extra little bolts Buddy put on there to hold these ribs in place. I don't do that, and this is going to be fun. I'm taking all those bolts out. We're going to want to try and protect the ribs as best as possible. They're not crazy expensive, but why buy them if you don't have to? They're about $2.50 a foot, so a 4-foot chunk costs $10. Not come off. So, see? Not came off. We're going to do that to all of them. Get all these ribs ripped out. Cut myself. Hot tip, be careful. The other half of the ribs out, so you want to put them where they don't get mixed up, and that way when you go to put them back in, they're all where you're going to need them. They're numbered properly. I numbered to 3. The rest I'm just going to guess. Ribs are all out, organized correctly. Now liner's coming out. This here, if you are replacing it, putting that same liner back in, be gentle with it. Don't do what I usually do. The guy that installed that stupid little thwart, he must have stock in whatever company makes the tetanus thing. Starting to not like that guy. So that deep, I gotta get it in some daylight. That deep gouge here on the outside is not all the way through, which is muy bueno. We're gonna just put a insurance patch, just gonna put a little bit of, flatten that out, put some sealant and another chunk of aluminum down. I'm not gonna screw it or nothing, it's just gonna be the sealant, kind of making it cute. All the inside seams actually look pretty good. A little bit of rust on the tips. I'm not even gonna remove the old sealant, I'm just gonna clean it up, go right over top. I'm gonna reseal the whole thing. Stop right there. I just found it. I found the leak. I know where it is. I know what it is, and it's in a pretty good spot. I'll show you. Let's get down here. So we have the keel runs down the bottom, and right about there's a little wee slice. But that keel on the outside comes down to here. So I'm going to be able to do a button patch around the outside and inside. We are going to be good. Take your degreasing agent and a scratch pad. That's what kind of scratch pad I'm using. You're gonna, any place you're gonna put the new sealant down, you're gonna get that in there. Give her a good scratch. No, right there is gonna take something. I forgot to push record. So you're going to take this adhesive sealant, you're going to pop that little plastic, or it's a metal clip off the back, and you're going to cut the end to the where your desired thing, poke a hole in the end of this part here, and that way the sealant will come out. And you just go around where you just missed it. It was so exciting too. Any spot you want the sealant, put it. I just went over top of all the screw heads, which were a little bit rusty, and make sure we have that taken care of. And we just tap that sealant exactly where we want it. Make sure it's covering the spot. My important spot is right there. What do I still have? My scratch pad stuff? No, I don't. Yes, it is right here. All tapped down, sealed, all that I'm going to do. Okay guys, I have a mess to clean up, the hemorrhoid cushion, all these organized ribs, and the liners on the other side. I gotta put this up. I'm gonna let it dry. I need the air to grind all this crap off, and I'm not gonna fire the compressor up just for me. So this is gonna be the end of part one. I'll do the other, all that stuff on Monday when other people are around. I have to clean up and take care of your boo-boo. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more. All right, thanks guys.